Hello, my dear student, class 11. Now, today I am going to discuss about the prose Jimmy Valentine written by O. Henry. The full name is William Sidney Potter. O. Henry is a nickname. O. Henry is a common name, pseudonym of William Sidney Potter. So today I am going to discuss about the first part 1, about the biography of O. Henry or William Sidney Potter. The title of the poetry, a title of the prose, Jimmy Valentine's, source of the prose, summary of the story, and unknown words with parts of speech. So let's start. Jimmy Valentine, written by O. Henry. The full name is William Sidney Potter, was a noted short story writer from the United States of America. Means he was living actually in United States of America and well known in the world in the name of O. Henry. It is the pen name. 11th September 1862. He was born there and became famous short story writer, which is a lot of writings. From the very beginning, he was keen to reading different kinds of journals, poems, classics writings, etc. And he got the experience about the different story, different themes. O. Henry's mother was died when he was age of 3. So you know that how painful life O. Henry was. After all, he was graduated from the Aunt Evelyn Maria Potter's Elementary School in 1876, and he got the pharmacist license at the age of 19, and ultimately, being a pharmacist, he was also a draftsman, bank teller, journalist, and he also a proper musician. His famous short story collections include Cabbage and Kings, The Trimmed Lamb, and The Gentle Gratter, well known in the whole world. This is a Jimmy Valentine's, which is actually taken from the Reeds of Destiny, the collection of short stories, name of the book of series Roads of Destiny. Out of that, in the same name, it was taken Jimmy Valentine's. So, Jimmy Valentine's, its name on a character base. So, normally the title you have seen in 2 types, one in story base and number 2 is character base and other is sense base. So here it is the base on the character whose name is Jimmy Valentine. So what is the summary of the story? Jimmy Valentine, a person who passed his life as a safecracker, and well-known safecracker. Finally, he was caught by the police and put into the jail for his good works. One day the governor has given him the freedom. He got freed from the jail and went to the different city for a new life. There he met with a banker's daughter in the city of Elmore, and there he tried his level best to keep his life with a proper man. But unfortunately, one day there was happened an incident, and Jimmy had seen that someone is inside the vault, and it was impossible for anyone to open. In that circumstances, Jimmy forgot all about his life of new rule, and he saved this child. So, in this story, one way you will see that how the society turn you towards the bad world. If you really want to be a good one. On the other hand, you will see that the past never been forget. What you have done wrong in your life, that never be corrected in the future. It will always searching you in whole life. So Detective Ben Price may arrest Jimmy again, but for this great works, for saving the other's life, he escaped him and allow him to lead a good life, a noble life. So that is the story. Let's start and try to realize. A guard came to the prison Sussaw, where Jimmy Valentine was assiduously stitching uppers and escorted him to the front office. There the warden handed Jimmy his pardon, which had been signed the morning by the governor. It was Jimmy Sussaw, prison Sussaw. So Jimmy was put into there due to its, যেটাকে আমরা বলি কারাগারের মধ্যে যে জুতো কর্মশালা থাকে, and he was doing this job. He was teaching, সেলাই করছিলেন, teaching of saving something of shoes. On that time, the guard actually came and escorted him. He protected him with the guards and informed him that it was the letter which was governor given him, and he pardoned him because you have done very hard work in this prison. So it's a reward. Jimmy took it in the tired kind of way. He had served nearly 10 months of a 4-year sentence. He had expected to stay only about 3 months at the longest, when a man with many friends on the outside as Jimmy Valentine had received in the stair, it is hardly worthwhile to cut his hair. He took this letter very tiredly. He was present for 10 months, but actually he was punished for 4 years. He expected that someone will come and released him within 3 months, because these kinds of peoples had lot of peoples in outside the prison to save them. But unfortunately, it was not happened. Now Valentine said the warden, you will Go out in the morning, dress up, and make a man to be yourself. You are not a bad fellow at heart. Stop cracking safes and lead straight. That was the advice from the guard, from the warden, the head of the jailer. If you are a good, heart man, you are a kind-hearted man, clean-hearted man. So stop these kinds of cracking safe job and live a very gentle life there. Me, said Jimmy in a surprise. Why, I never cracked a safe in my life. Oh no, laughed the warden. Of course not. Let's see now. How was it you happened to get sent up on that Springfield job? Was it because you wouldn't prove an alibi for fear of compromising somebody in extremely high-toned society, or was it simply case of a mean old jury that had in for you? It's always on one or the other with you innocent victims. That means the warden actually wanted to know whether he would lead a simple life or not. He was laughing because he knows that outside the prisons is not the very simple void. He knows very well that it's never been happened, and that's why he questioned and laughed. Finally, he explained why he would not. Because he wanted to prove that he was never been in the Springfield job. Warden never believed this one. Because he knows very well about the past of past of Jimmy Valentine's. And he knows very well why Jimmy Valentine's actually want to hide his activity. Compromising somebody in extremely high-tone society. He wanted to be a higher one, a rich one. It was the wish of Jimmy Valentine's, but it's never been possible. It's always one or other with you innocent victims. And normally it happens that you wanted to be rich, do the wrong one, and finally you are the victims. Someone had taken the facilities and went away from you. Whom do you love and whom do you want to do this job? They are not with you in the future. That was the right suggestions from the warden, but Jimmy did not want to allow it because he knows the reality of the society. Me, said Jimmy, still blankly virtuous. Why, warden, I never was in a Springfield in my life. Now the question is there. Why I should not in this field? Because I want to lead a complete life. And without this, it's never been possible. That was the questions what O. Henry actually spread in the society. That if everyone's at the job, if everyone's got the facility for earning, so nobody want to do the bad job or to be the criminal. That's why the Jimmy was a real one who wanted to prove the warden that nobody had done the job fruitfully or properly. So that's all. The three questions will be given to here. One is, who is the writer of this prose? What is the full name of O. Henry? Where from the present text has taken? Why did Jimmy got the freedom? Who had given Jimmy the freedom? What was the advice given by warden? Why did Jimmy want to ignore that he was on the Springfield job? Why he did not want to left the job of Springfield ward? Thank you very much for watching this channel. If you have any problem, you just try to write down me to my WhatsApp number 790-868-7462. Thank you very much for watching this channel.